Welcome back to Bookie and Cookie's Comic Club, and today we'll be doing Shocked and Extremely Shocked. First off, we have to draw our face and have two little eyes and a big wide open mouth. And then eyebrows all the way up here. And some little zoom lines. You can see they jumped right off his head. And now for extra shocked. I'll need a little more room for this. You've got an even bigger shocked mouth. And now I'll need to draw a little crash and colour that in. Yes. Blah, 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 blah. And two little lines coming up here, and then another crash here. And then two more lines coming in with the eyebrows. So they crash right out the roof, all the way off the page and back in over here. And because he's extra shocked, he has little exclamation marks around his head. He's so shocked, you can see. What? You can even see his tongue, for extra detail, tongue and dangly thingy that I haven't not identified what it's for yet. And possibly teeth. Yeah, he needs teeth. Teeth. Boom. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to come back for our next How to Draw lesson. Bye. Bye, with hugs and kisses from Bookie and me.